Okay, so right in between the longitudinal cerebral fissure, where I cut the brain so that we could see the inside, that is the corpus callosum. So where it was connected, right here, where it was connected, like right here, that is where I cut, and that is the corpus callosum. And then the mammillary body. The mammillary body is going to be this right here. The mammillary body right here. Mammillary body. And then the arbor vitae is in the cerebellum, and it's the branching of the branching that you see is the arbor vitae. So here we have the eye. Here we have the cornea. We have the cornea. Then we have the sclera on the outer side. So the cornea and the sclera. And then on the back, we have where the optic nerve is, right here. The optic nerve right here. Okay. Then on the inside, we have the vitreous humor right here, which is like this liquid stuff. Okay. And then here we have the retina all around here, the retina. And then we have the lens. This is the lens right here. Okay. Okay. Now, we have the black stuff. The black around here is that's the choroid. So the outer black has like little ridges on it, is the choroid. Then we have the iris. The iris, which is going to be out right around here, the inner part. And then we have the pupil. I can't see it. Then we have the pupil. Okay, and then over here, when we take off the retina, down at the bottom, we have the tapetum lucidum. Tapetum lucidum. And that is underneath the retina. So on the anterior part of the heart, the sheep heart, we have the anterior interventricular sulcus. The anterior interventricular sulcus. And then you can see up here at the top, we have the right atrium. And then we have the left atrium right here. And then we have the right ventricle and left ventricle. We have the the superior vena cava, the inferior vena cava. Then we have the pulmonary. Here we have the pulmonary trunk. The pulmonary trunk. We have the pulmonary veins. We have the pulmonary veins right here. Okay, and then we have the aorta. It's gonna be right in here. Here we have the aorta right here. Okay. Inside we have the interventricular septum right here, the interventricular septum, which divides the right and the left parts of the heart. Then we have the right atrium, which is going to be up here, and then we have the right atrium right here, and we have the tricuspid valve right here. We have the chordae tendineae here. We have the papillary muscle right here, and then we goes into the right ventricle. Then we have the left atrium right up here. So the left atrium up here. We have the chordae tendineae here. And the bicuspid valve right here. The bicuspid valve here. Then we have the left ventricle here, and we have the papillary muscle here,